It's Mrs. Anderson again. I'm at my house and my husband is doing the videotaping. We are going to go back to making teen numbers and 20. This time I have the mat and I have the tens rod and then I have the ones. Do you remember how many ones we need to make a tens rod? It's 10. I hope you've been practicing with your teen cards. On the mat, it has an 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We are going to start with an 11. We're going to do one tens frame or 10 stick. And how many ones do we need? We've got 10 and we need 1. Then we're going to get to 12. It's 10 freeze and 2 ones. 13. It shows you we only need one group of 10, so it's 10 plus 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And then 14, 1 10. And 4 more. And the equation for this one, I'll show you that in a second, is, and it's right at the bottom of my blue screen, 10 plus 4 equals 14. But you can also say 14 equals 10 plus 4. And then we've got 15. We need 1 10. And it tells you how many ones do we need? 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And you can say 10 plus 5 equals 15, but that match might say 15 equals 10 plus 5. We've got 16, 1 10, and 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's 10 plus 6 equals 16, or 16 equals 10 plus 6. 17, 1 10. And I bet you know how many more. Tell your neighbor how many more. 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that can be 10 plus 7 equals 17, or 17 equals 10 plus 7. 18 is 10 freeze, and 8 ones. So now I've got to get 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That way I can put them on there maybe a little bit faster. Bet you guys would be really good at these, kind of like a little puzzle. (10 plus 8 equals 18, or you can have 18 equals 10 plus 8. Now we're going to do 19. One group of 10, because you know that's 10, and let's count it out. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that's 9 ones. And 20. How many 10s do we need? Can you see that? 2 10s. 10, 20. And we need 0 ones. I'll put the 19 down there. 19 equals 10 plus 9. And we'll go on to the 20. Look at that. 20, move my finger, equals 10 plus 10, or 10 plus 10 equals 20. Now, I'm going to see if we can zoom in on this. I'm going to move these, and I want you to pay attention to anything that you might notice or something you might observe. Look carefully at the ones, maybe. Oh, somebody might have noticed that. Hold on one second. I have to let my dog in. Sorry. I don't think you've seen her. Her name's Bailey. She's usually outside whenever we're doing the video. So, back to the math lesson. I bet one of you noticed that as we start at the 11 and go to 12, you add one more 1. And 13, you have 2 1s here. And to get to 13, you need one more 1. And 14, you're going to add one more 1. And you're going to add one more 1 to 4 to get to 15. And you keep going. But then when you get to 19, if you added one more 1, you would have 10. And then you could take those 10 to get to 20 and exchange it for that 10 stick. Remember, we do that a lot at calendar. And I bet someone else noticed if you counted backwards, you might have 9 1s, 8, 7, 6. So the number is shrinking and you're taking away 1 1 each time. Now, your worksheet is in your math curriculum and it says Unit 4, Lesson 5, and it's page 237 and 238. You're going to look at this and the first one is 10. So you're going to color in that whole row of 10 and you're going to write 10. You have to look here. 13 equals 10 plus 3 more. So you'll write down that 10 after you colored it, and then you need to color 3 more. And this one, 14 equals 10 plus 4 more. You might want to write it in there first. Make sure the equation makes sense, and then do your coloring in. 10 rod, and then 4 more. Finish that. And on the back side, using your pencil again, 17 equals 10 plus 7. They gave you the 10, so then make 7 little squares. Don't connect them, just make them underneath each other. And you're going to finish that for all of them. See if you can get number 8. Looks like it's trying to trick you, but you guys are too smart for that. And then do the check for understanding and send it to your teacher. We would love to see it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks, boys and girls.